I'm so excited, guys! Ah! I got my Blue Yeti! Woo! So, for those of you who know absolutely nothing, this microphone right here is the best budget microphone. Or at least that's what I've been told. So today, guys, I have actually purchased the Blue Yeti. Oh, this is cute. Yeti, legendary ape-like creature who roams the Himalayas. An incredibly versatile USB microphone found worldwide. Yes, it is. And this is actually really cute. I like that. But enough about reading the box, even though it is a really nice box. I think I've said it before. We're going to open this guy. I've got an X-Acto knife ready in case I need one, but I don't think I'll need it for this box. Ooh. Right. Ooh. It's heavy. Ooh, okay. I guess I don't need this anymore. Alright. Do I still just kind of open it from the top? This is why I can't be like just unboxing everything. I don't know how to open boxes. I am going to be needing the X-Acto knife. Ever so carefully. Remember to cut away from yourself, kids. Open. Would you look at that? Oh no, don't fall X-Acto knife. It's pretty nice. First up, you got the USB cord. You know, that I imagine goes to the computer. We're just gonna pull. Oh yeah. Let's get this guy out of here. Oh my god, I think I just fell in love. Now, I opted for the slate. It was a little bit more expensive than the silver one. The silver one was the cheapest at just over $100. But this one looks so much better than just silver. So I opted for the slate. And this thing looks awesome. Oh my god, I am in love. The only thing that we got today. No. This is an entire sound upgrade. So we got ourselves a pop filter as well. And this one I'm not going to exaggerate quite as much. Okay. Well, because the microphone was so expensive, and it's because it's such a good microphone, and I currently don't have a pop filter at all. I figured any pop filter is better than no pop filter, and I mean, even with a good microphone, should be fine. So I cheaped out on the pop filter, not gonna lie. What is it? Newer. Interesting name. And this thing cost me like, what, $6 I think? Something like that. That's not on the right way at all, but we're going to roll with it for now because I don't know what I'm doing. Actually, I'm in image and sound. I don't think I've actually set up a pop filter yet. So, Mr. Mini, you have failed me. Just kidding. But of course, we also got a microphone stand for it by InnoGear. It was just that, like, on Amazon, just like right there. And holy crap, the wind is loud today. Just need a little bit of brute force. There we go. Open it upside down. Alright. Got some paperwork. We don't want this. We got the arm mount. I don't know what this is. And then the clamp. Now, if anything needed instructions, it would be this, but I'm not seeing any instructions. User manual. Oh, I found it. Troubleshooting. Installation of the stand. Alright. Oh boy. This is such a small desk. You see why I don't use this desk for anything anymore? Alright, so we got this guy. That's alarm. Alright, just told me to click this on. I hope this is still in frame. Is this still in frame? Alright, so we got that guy. Alright. There we go. So guys, I've got a really janky setup. I realized. Get that box out of here. I guess all that's left now is to see how it sounds. Which means I need to go grab my laptop, so I'll be right back. Alright, so I'll grab my laptop. I'm gonna see what this guy sounds like. Ignore my voice at the moment. I think I'm sick. But yeah, it's time for that sound test. It's like, if I spent $160 on all of this stuff combined, because I mean the arm wasn't all that expensive, and the pop filter, like I said, I definitely cheaped out on the pop filter. But still, like, spent $160, so I am expecting a dramatic increase in quality of the sound. Not necessarily the videos themselves, because I don't know, I like to think that the scripting's already decent. Oh man, you're loud. Will it just turn on when I plug it in? I'm not seeing a power switch anywhere. So I'm assuming so. Oh, it was on mute. Oh, I'm bad. If I turn it down low, but talk somewhat loud, this actually sounds really good. Now if I just take away the pop filter for a second here and just start saying a bunch of P words like pepperoni pizza is positively the most preposterous, there it is, thing to dislike, and man are there so many pickles on pepperoni pizza is absolutely preposterous. That's a little better. But like I said, you guys can't hear any of this, so what does it matter? So guys, this is the audio coming from the Blue Yeti. I think it's pretty good. But again, it's coming out of my crappy headphones too, and I'm kind of hearing myself as I talk. So I'm not entirely sure if it's the most elegant solution, but and this is only the first upgrade. I'm calling this the upgrade vlog series because up next is actually the lighting solution, because it's kind of crap right now. But that's for another video, another time, after I save up some more money. Again guys, thank you so much for watching. Be sure to hit that like button if you liked this video, or a dislike if you didn't. Get subscribed if you haven't already, because better sound quality is on its way. Well, that does not smell good. That's about it. I got nothing else. So I'll see you guys some other time. I hope this video's out soon. Bye guys. This has to be the strangest mounting method I have ever used to record anything. If Mr. Mini sees this, he's going to be cringing so hard. Sorry.